Hello everyone, I am Manisha Rani and welcome to my channel, Our Orange Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make green gram or moong dosa with coconut chutney. Let us take a look at the ingredients. For dosa we will require 1 cup of green gram soaked for 8 hours or overnight, 1 green chilli, 1 inch ginger sliced, salt and water as required. For chutney, we will require 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 green chilli, 1 inch ginger sliced, salt and water as required. Let us prepare the dosa batter. In a blender jar, add soaked green gram, chilli and ginger. Add about 3/4 cup of water for blending. Make sure not to add too much water in one go, else the batter will have a very thin consistency. After blending, this is how the batter should look like. Put the batter in a bowl. Add salt as required. Mix well and keep aside. Let us now make the chutney. In a blender jar, add the coconut, green chilli, ginger and salt. Add water as required and blend. This is how the chutney will look after blending. Take out the chutney in a bowl. Since the chutney and dosa batter is now ready, let us now make dosas. Heat a non-stick pan on a medium-high flame. Once the pan gets hot, spread the dosa batter in circular motion. Add about half a teaspoon of oil. Let the dosa cook. Once it starts getting brown color, flip the dosa and cook on other side. Once it serve hot crispy dosas with coconut chutney. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and have a good day.